Hello, day 3 of e-learning, and I'm running out of things to do since we're at the end of a chapter. So there is an equation on the chapter test for finding the circumference. So let's review that and all the different parts that go into that equation. So you will be completing this worksheet and submitting it back to the eBackpack post. So I'm going to upload the copy of this into eBackpack, and then you are going to do show all work and complete the 4 equations along with another worksheet which is attached to this, and I'll show you that one in a second too. All practicing to get you ready for the chapter test. I'm planning to do a lab on Monday, and then we'll review Tuesday and Wednesday, and the chapter test will be Thursday of next week. Okay, so pay close attention to what they actually ask you. Everything you need is in the top part of this worksheet. Everything you need is up here. Everything you need to know. You just have to think it through. What are they asking you? So for example, for question 1, it says if the diameter is 395 picometers, what is the radius? So you're not creating the equation, you're using information that you know from right here for number 1, all right? So number 2, if an atom has a circumference of 227 picometers, what is the diameter? So you have to plug in what you know. So you know the circumference, and you know it's going to have to equal pi. So you can fill in what you know, all right? Fill in what you know. Solve it like backwards, if you will. So here's this one would help. This equation here would help you too. All right, so number 3, if an atom has a radius of 43, what is the circumference? Now you're using that full equation. And if an atom has a radius of 65 picometers, what is its circumference? So for 3 and 4, you're actually doing a plug and chug the normal way. 1 and 2, you're going to have to think it through as to what they're asking you, and even check your work like you've learned to do in math. Check to see that you come out with the right information. All right, so you'll be doing that one and then submitting it to the post, and I'll be grading them throughout the day. And then let me see if I can flip this guy for you. There we go. This one, the directions are put a check mark in the space to indicate whether the element is a metalloid, non-metal, halogen, or noble gas. So metalloids are on the stair step. They're in green on your periodic table. So you're going to find these elements and just simply put a check mark of where they are on the based on the periodic table. So for example, if we were to look at the periodic table, we'll find fluorine is in group 17. I gave you guys notes that group 17 is known as the halogens. So you check, sorry that's not very dark, you check there, and then it's group 17. And you have to do that for every single element on here. Okay, so if it's on the stair step, it's a metalloid. If it's not a halogen and not a noble gas, then mark it a non-metal, and then the group number that it's in. All right, good luck, have a good day, stay safe. The roads are really bad. I'm already at school. I was here when they called it. So if you have questions, please email me. These 2 worksheets will be due back to eBackpack. You'll submit back to eBackpack. Oh, and I wanted to tell you the answers to the 2 periodic table puns so far. So the pun for the 30th so you can check. The correct answer is indium. A Native Americanium is an indium. That's element number 49, so make sure you fill out the rest of the information for that one. And then yesterday's, the function of a bulletproof vest is protactinium, to protect them. Protactinium. It's element number 91. Today's pun, let me get it in front of me so I phrase it correctly. If you are a cowboy, what do you do to a steer in a rodeo? If you are a cowboy, what do you do to a steer in a rodeo? I will tell you that is in the lanthanide series. It is in the lanthanide series. So good luck on finding that one, and have a good day.